Dear students, I am Sandhya Reddy from Biology Department. Till we are studying the word dominant of the two parents and incomplete dominancy or in between dominancy. Here F1 hybrids are always resembles either two parents or in between dominancy. And on the basis of these two, you have to study the codominancy. Here incomplete in F1 generation is resembles in both the parents. It means codominancy in F1 generation, both the parents are resembles. The best example for codominancy is ABO blood grouping in human being. It means ABO blood group is always having a red blood cells. A different type of red blood cells are helps for the determination of ABO blood groups. These ABO blood groups are also controlled by the gene. Such a gene is called represent the letter I, and it also having the plasma membrane of the red blood cells are having a sugar polymers. It means the plasma membrane of the red blood cells having the sugar polymers, sugar molecules. These sugar molecules represented on mainly present on the surface of the molecule, and this sugar is controlled by the gene I. And here the I has having a I has the three alleles, and such alleles are capital IA, capital IB, and small I. And these capital A and capital IA and capital IB, these are dominant I's, small i's recessive in condition. These I, capital IA and capital IB produces small changes from the sugar, while the IELTS does not produces any sugar molecules. It means capital A and capital IA and capital IB produces a small changes in some condition. It means it cannot be produces any sugar molecules. It means while it is present in the small I molecules, and then because in mainly represented in the human beings. It means humans are always diploid in organisms, and each person possesses every person is possesses any two of the three I genes, and genes are also having the alleles. It means is the person having the two genes, and two genes are always having the three gene alleles. And then capital I and capital IB are completely dominant over the small I. Hence it represented both capital A and small I. It represented the capital AI. It means a blood group, and it expressed the because I does not produces any sugar molecules. Already we explained the small letter I is recessive in condition. It cannot be produces any sugar molecules, and then it only express the capital I and A. IA express their characters. Here same as that of the capital A and B. I does not produces any molecules or any sugar molecules. It also presented the capital I, B. Both the IA and IB are also combined together form a own type of sugar molecules. It means it both are having a capital A and capital B molecules having the own sugar molecules, and these two combined together forms their own sugar or own type of the sugar molecules. This is because or called as the codominancy. Hence the red blood cells having both the A and B type of the sugar molecules. These are three different types of alleles are present, and these three different type of the alleles also having a six different combinations of three alleles are also possible, and therefore these total 6 different genotypes having in the human ABO blood groups types, and it also possible genotypes are shown in the given table. Here you have to see the one table. This is an parent 1, this is an parent 2 column. These are genotypes of the offsprings and blood groups of the offsprings. And if you have to consider capital A, and it means it is an father, it is an mother, and then you have to consider both are having a blood group. The genotype, possible genotypes are capital A, capital I, capital I, capital A. The blood group represent the capital A. And you have to consider the father is capital IA mother goes to capital IB, and both the genotypes are capital A and capital IA and capital IB. It represents the blood group is, the offspring blood group is AB. And next goes to capital IA and small I. It means B, mother does not having any sugar molecules. It means father having only single sugar molecules or single blood group, that you have to consider A. And the possible genotypes are capital A and I. The offspring blood group is A. And next goes to the parents. Father shows the blood group IB, mother shows the IA. The possible genotypes are capital A, capital B. The possible blood groups or offspring blood group is AB. And next goes to capital IA, capital IB. The possible genotypes are capital B and capital IB and capital IB. Here the blood group is B. And here we have to consider next parents is the blood group is IB and small IB, and here the genotypes are small capital IB and small I. Here the blood group is B, and it means here both you have to consider parents is I, and here parents shows the I blood group, and these are also having the possible genotypes are small I, small I. It goes to blood group is O in. And then next part goes to have to consider the above example. The ABO blood groups is also provide the good example for the multiple alleles. And here we have to consider main example for the purpose of codominancy. Here it also apply in the multiple alleles also. Here the definition of multiple alleles is the series of 3 or more genes which control the same characters or occupy the same locus in the homologous chromosomes. It means you have to consider the homologous chromosomes. It having the same locus, and it also controls the same characters, and it also having 3 to more genes. It means a series of 3 or more genes which controls the same characters, occupy the same locus in the homologous chromosomes is called as the multiple alleles. In an individuals, only 2 alleles can be present. Multiple alleles can be found for the only for when the population is studied. It means if you have to consider the individual helps for the you have to identify 2 alleles. If you have to study the multiple alleles, it mainly helps for the study of the population. And the single gene produces many single gene products may produces more than one effect. If you have to consider only single gene, the product or it produces the only one effect. Here you have to consider one more example. This effect is you have to consider already study the pea plant. Here also consider the pea seeds. It having the starch, and starch synthesis in pea plant is controlled by the one gene. It means in pea seeds are having the starch. It mainly helps for the starch synthesis, and it also having or it controls the only one gene. It has 2 alleles, capital B and small b. Capital B is dominant in condition, small b is recessive in condition. Starch is synthesized completely by the homozygotes condition. Such a condition is called as the capital B, and it produces the large amount of starch grain. And it is also considered small b. These are also present in the homozygotes in condition, but it produces the lesser amount of starch, or lesser synthesize less amount of the starch, and it also produces the smaller quantity of the starch grains. After developing the seeds, the capital B and capital B, it means whenever it undergo crossing, these two produces a capital B and capital B are round in color, round in shapes, and small b are represent the wrinkled in shapes. These are 2 characters considered in this example, and these combines together form a heterozygote round C. Already you know the whenever two parents are crossing, you have to get a heterozygotes in condition. Which one is the dominant is there? It express their character. Here is also same. The round character is dominant, and hence you have to consider the character heterozygous condition is round in seed. It means the B is dominant allele. Here you have to consider capital B is considered as the dominant allele. And the next part goes to the starch grain produces are of an intermediate size in capital B, small b seeds. It means these starch grains is produces if it is in the intermediate in condition or heterozygous in condition, it produces the capital B and small b seeds. And then it also shows the character shows the rounding characters. So a starch grain size is considered as the phenotype. The allele shows the incomplete dominancy. Here the capital B small b is called as the incomplete dominancy. It shows the phenotypic character. The dominancy is not autonomous feature. It means dominancy does not produces their own characters of the gene, or it products that it is have the information for it. It means always the product is shows their new character. It also depends on such the product and shows the particular phenotypes. It means whenever it produces the new character or express their character, it shows the particular phenotypes.